Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah kesngi Shillong. Sedang terekam ke Williamson Samla University nadu khatlai tarik KYLLALYNKOT. Syajid sawut ki kena skul ban pule ha Aga Khan Academy Hyderabad. Lapelaj patba ya katup kinong tap vote ha West Khasi Hills. Ban NAKA Harvest Festival penlong Kalajong Farmers Produce Organization. Bat mentai ni apai ki Khubor ki bakambania. Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ulaple patba ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Hatura haka khatlai terik KYLLALYNKOT arhajar arpusan batkan sedang bantrekam mardor nadu mentah kasngi. Latung ya Professor Vasanthi Vijayakumar kumu Vice Chancellor Bandingkong kani ka University. Hakani ka sni play yakani ka University kadon lang usnong shongknor ka yindor barthauan ke Jylla Thomas A Sangma u Deputy Chief Minister Snya Bhalangdhar Education Minister Rakam Sangma bat u Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal latte yakani ka University haka jinglut ka balakunjo shaka khanreu point khandai pun reu klur tengka balamang haus nam arhajar khat pra kiwe ki he ki han ki dum garo ki baladon lang hakani ka sni play ki kentup ya Deputy Speaker Timothy Dishira ki MLA Sanjay A Sangma, Ian Botham ke Sangma, Subir Marak, Sengchim Marak, Jim Sangma, Limison Sangma, Marthon Sangma, CM ke JHADC Albinus Marak, baru Deputy CM Nikman Marak. Menteri Rangba ulayat ho reka baong ki Samla pule hakane ke University kimdan kamshu banya khun ya ka CUET kadba ki Samla pule ki bakwa rung NEHU ki haban pas ya ka CUET. Pratili ki college ki balapanya so menta barka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Shillong. Ka William Nagar College, William Nagar, Captain Williamson Sangma College, Bakmara, Rongjeng Model College, Rongjeng, Ampati Degree College, Ampati, PA Sangma Abong Noga College, Tura, Mason Phillips Academy, Tura, Miriam Rural Women's College, but Tura Christian College. Ka University Grants Commission UGC kala ay ya ka jingmenjur ban sedang ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University hapo ki kendon Section 2F of UGC Act kat kendai spa sanpun reu hakan reu tarik no pra arhajar arpusau. Menteri Rangba ula ongru kani ka University kan plesien ya ka Shillong campus ban kring ki Samla pule na ki lom khasi jantia bat ban penyat ya ki kam ki jam ki bayade bat ka admission bat affiliation na kini ki than jong ka Jylla. Ula kular da ka baong kani ka University kan ai ki jinghikai ki papaka na ka banta ki Samla jong ka Jylla ki bayade kat kum kani ka jugmenta.
To tell you the size of the problem that we face in front of us. It's huge. 14,000 schools, 55,000 teachers, 4,000 plus private schools being aided by government, more than the amount we give to our own schools. We're giving salaries for private schools. I'm not saying we don't want to, and I'm not saying that we shouldn't. We should. But this is just to put things in perspective, that this is what the government is doing today. And hence we need to take very tough calls. Some of you may ask me, then why aren't you closing these schools down? Who have not even got 36%. Who have not even got, single percent is 36 schools. Not a single student has passed. There are challenges. These are one of the most marginalized areas. So all this brings up a huge burden on us, and we are slowly and steadily entangling the knots. Yes, we may have to take some tough calls. You've seen the problem right in front of you, and I'll be happy to share this with with all of you and with the public at large, and I will be doing it very soon in a much more broader way. But these are the things that we face. But I'm on a positive note after coming out from all these negative things, because, to be frank, this is what we keep seeing every day. So it's not something new for us, but I'm sure it's an eye-opener for a lot of you that you didn't realize what is happening in education and why it is so difficult for us to transform things in a matter of seconds or days or months or years also, because there's a lot of legacy issues which need a lot of time to be taken. We cannot simply strike out, saying that no more grants to be given. There's 1,000 crores of grants we give every year. That's enough for me to put up more than 200 new building schools, maybe 300 building schools with full infrastructure everywhere.
Hakasian Baar ka Aga Khan Academy Hyderabad kalajit sa sawut ki khna skol na Meghalaya ban net puli hakate ka academy klem da pelut wat tang shitang karu ban pentebet ki sap ki phong jongki. Director of School Education and Literacy Swapnil Tembe ulapan bana yakani ka Khubor haka khatlai tarik KYLLALYNKOT. Ulaya tho ka Department of Education kalaya trelang bat kani ka academy banjit bat tai sani bha yaki khna ki ba tibet tam hakaleng ki school ka Jylla daga ba penlong yaki test bat exam ki ba bunjat ki kerteng jong kini ki khna ki long John Kennedy Puwen na Sip Singh Memorial School Nongston u e prang dame ji Paryat na Shillong Public School u Wamonwal Government Public School Jowai bat u Rangkenjai je Taryang na Shillong Public School. Baro kini ki kena school kidang pendep ika class 6. Nakaliang udin jaga Aga Khan Academy Arjun Puri ulayatho kani ka academy ka juwad ki kena puli ki batbet haka bor jabing haka jing puli jongki bat ki badon ki sap ki phong ba pher ban pen kre ki ban kiu irat haki kerdan ba bunjan. Kani ka academy ka don ka school puli ka bahe shispa akar ka jaka bat palat nyospa laipo ki kena puli nak keleng kari India. Ki kemi ki kpa jong kini ki khna school kila dap da ka jingkmen haba kila yo yakani ka Khubor shapang ki khun jong ki.
So the gentleman here is asking about the criteria. So the first step is we sign an MOU that we are coming to the state. Then the department works with all the different kind of schools that we will be working with within the state. Children are shortlisted based on their academic performances. When we get involved, we have a 3-phase approach. The first one that we conduct is when all the children come in, we do something called non-verbal reasoning, which is more or less based on logic. Now, like we conduct the talent identification program in Meghalaya, we do something similar, say, in Syria, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, because these are areas that need a lot of attention. Language is taken out of the equation. So imagine none of the students who are sitting here, they study in English. Say they study in Khasi, right? Now, when they look at that exam, they should be able to crack it if they are intelligent, regardless of language, right? That's your first step. From there, we shortlist. We shortlist maybe about from the 400 odd kids that are given to us, comes down to maybe 50 or 60. Then they do math and English. English is not a part of our criteria. It's for me to understand what level they're at. Math is important. So if they do well in math, that's fantastic. So now I have logical reasoning, mathematics. There are 2 primary criteria. English, again, I'm looking at it. If you're good at it, fantastic. If you're not, there are teachers to help you. All of them, when they come there, they have to go through EAL, which is part of an English as a second language program. The last thing is the most critical thing. We run a very unique assessment, which is called problem solving and dynamic assessment. This has been designed by a very famous professor only for the Aga Khan Academy. The professor's name is Professor John Monroe. He's a genius in this field. His specialty is how do you identify potential. So if these children all get 90, 90, 90 in math, that's not enough to come through the academy. The main criteria is problem solving, dynamic assessment. We give them case studies. We try and find a solution-minded approach. So each of them had to go through this for 2 to 3 hours with us. And the final step is the interview. The interview is very important for me because I have to be confident that I can take them back with me. That interview tells me whether they are ready to move. How emotional are they? Will they adjust? How excited are they? Are they doing this because their parent has said it's a great opportunity? Or are they doing it because they feel strongly about it? So all of these criteria come in and then we reach out to them and we say, okay, we go through an internal process. There is a committee formed in Geneva. We speak to them. We come back because it's 4 crores every time we're back. And we have to be as sure as possible. And then we reach out to them, we inform them, and then they inform the family. So that's the whole process.
District Election Officer West Khasi Hills District haka khatlai tarik KYLLALYNKOT ulapan mi eka draft electoral roll nagabenta ke election KHEDC arjar arpusan nagabenta lai tili ki MDC constituency ki bakan thop eka arpuhnyo District Council constituency Nongston arpupra DCC Ramrai Jerngam bat arpukhandai DCC Motion Road DEO ulasa mekini ki thup kerteng shekinong mi khmat jong ki sengsan hima. Barok kinong thep vote ki don shilak lai phuwe hajar nyau spa prapu nyau ngut. Kanong ston DCC ka don sapusan hajar khandai spa handriu phuwe ngut kinong thep vote. Ka arpu pra ramrai jarngam ka don saupu ar hajar san pu prangut bat ka arpu khandai motion road DCC ka don saupu lai hajar nyau spa handriu pu prangut. Ka district barok ka we ka don shi spa sau Pondriu tili ki jaga tap vote bat nakini ki don arpu khandai tili ki polling station ki bala aban penni jinga krit hakane ke election. Ya kani ka jinga lang la penlong ha conference hall DC office Noston bala penya de uba Garrett LSM Dykes IAS district electoral officer bat la don lang ki officer rang ba jong ka district baro ka we.
Pick EVM, it is Sabon Marway, strong room.
DC election. Di kumba piti baru hai. Ba mentau
Total number of videos given as parts and broken die. And number of control unit given, which is
Kakenhun ka Lajong Farmers Produce Organization haka khatlai tarik KYLLALYNKOT kala penlong ya ka Harvest Festival arhajar arpusan ban lum ban lang ya ki para nong rep ban aimen sim bat kit bok kit ruang bakin nang roy nang pa bat ban baha ka rep karyang ha uni usnam arhajar arpusan bathamai ya kani ka program ya kendu lang jo ki nong rep la penlong hasnong mau pro ka badai ru ka Model Fruit Village lani ka snong ki so ki pai hathem riboy. Hakani ka Harvest Festival uba Madondor Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner ulalong ukongsan haka jinga don lang u Dr. K. Govindasamy Director Indian Council of Agricultural Research Udin ka Central Agricultural University College Dr. Ram Singh u Dr. Sanjay Swami u Bisham Singha kinongalam ka Lajong Farmers Produce Organization bakan top ya ka Kong Marian Maring President uba Parlatur Vice President nongkit kam pat ki dekot na ki unit baper.
Panga bagi dalam ni PE gini ki scientist ki dalam ni baru mana ko CEU Agricultural University ba na po GIAMF martial arts dan ni kaim baru kat di beliau ki berangkam di dalam ni kasi di ngampak ban dan jerong hari gini kata Harvest Festival baru omnes man jadi kabangi celebrate mo ya kadi Kristom bidong pi nangi dah den tu pani kesadan ka tiga bamlang jalan kini Harvest Festival kadang keleng belum hapo India keleng la day hapo na fek tayo slow bilang di Baisakhi Makar Sankranti ki Pongal keleng dari India ki celebrate mabli hi no bangiyo ban Harvest yung tunjungi kadi ku bajong try kamera ni ndera kanu ganong gaji kemen kani kasi mengiyok celebrate kuya kani gaji Kristom yung Piginong rep ini kibadan kamtam haka imlang kasalang bun yung ju kenal ya kata jadi kinong rep ini kiba dan kamtam kamu nong rep layak nomor kait lebam lagi dera tinggal semua payah kali lajong ba bawa menela tu rumah nyo hajar wet ni nong rep badan apa dengan ka FPO kini ka Farmers Producer Organization pia don bok ha bakal kini ka FPO but ngakan tu pi ba punya trailang ni hapot ni FPO namar bagi orang nak kecil paring mod kat padang dalam kat padang pun kata dang klan we need strength in numbers kyo di lingba do ni FPO la sai kita pun jadi mentoy pihak menjo kamu no kalyang ro ada kielik banyak kan masuk kap ni jadi mentoy ani klik si bank ni pilih dah kono ka karu kindan bigi jirap namar ba pilaya bud di kemaar ni kubangong I'm very thankful for CEU and of course ICL to be involved with the village here.
Kador bar pelun lajkor kala penkup buram haka khatlai tarik KYLLALYNKOT daki song pisa bat kijing ais ngo bahasa barok hakun hun ki thayale kai football ki balara ya kanam ladu haka lumpung Women's Football League Tournament arhajar arpusau bala penlong daka Shillong Sports Association Hamadan Polo. Uba Lambor Malngyang MDC Nongkrem Constituency ulalong ukongsan hakani ka jingyalang bakerpang. Kibalaya don lang banyak kemen hakani kesngi ki kentup ya upaim aina manix im kahima milliam kinong yalam ka club kinong song snong ki thele kai football bat ki kimi ki kpajong ki. Kumban penkenmau kalat core sports club women's football team kalapan lem ya ka pay for right football academy da ka arko la not haka final hamadan first ground polo haka live hoterik no pra ar hajar ar pusau. Kum kadak kajing sngo kemen bat kajing sngo sarong. Uba lambor ulano senyang daki pelapisa rengkat kijing ai sngo bahasa baru ki theyale kai kanika kunhun. Haka jingkran lengkot uba lambor ulakan tu ki samla banlong ki balakre bania kun persya ya ki babun kijing haka jing im bat ban le janai ha baru ki kam ki jam bagi tre ki kita. Ulapan kut da ka baong ban poi sya ka thong jing job dan kam ban don ka jing mut ka bas camp bat ka jing tre minot klemrit.
Kami menyebut kekejangan di bawah kabut tang hapo pemadam jom puluh dari tang hapo kejangan joni jadi angut kejangan tolong pan hinyo pan represent yang kejangan joni cuma hapo kino ki kategori kipa ki wah bagi bapi pintai mandi kejangan anda nak pimpin saya dari kita bagi angut harus katakan ngeri sebon players Ngishbon ki sports person ki blami kung ki kun sama ki kun kenthai ngipet ki lawan na yang na burong lagi pet menalagi yang ka world cup kanung susurong dari makawin ki nong shot crystal kay ka bhalu mo bhalu kumana gold medal double gold medals Korban kenam igri, himda penra kenam nomor instan dan bo kadam pay jo. Kasyam hadakin milat kajobi, kasyam hadakin tuistam kajobi. Ay dastamina kapag akay ko si ngama pajui dulu. Kita ki official juga Shillong Sports Association ki ono. Ay dan basketball dan gol akhir push kasyam pamla why decline the football dalam tutak. Ngilang lakon sudo to ka force ba siya kita tadi konkuat ng bi kamday kan force competition ka ball kan force sa ball ng bi pagkan ni training show but I think yung coach ko kay pang atay coach ko ball mana nambare like na niya coach ba coach yung sting block of the bit niya Shillong berlatih siapa? Kemudian
Kamat Prang knockout football tournament balapanyai the Khasi Students Union Umsning Circle kelas sedang haka khatlai tarik KYLLALYNKOT hamadan Umsning Patarim haka jige kunding kong hapadeng kamaulai impact persya yakan nangkiu irat SC. Lapli yakani Kalumpung Football the Sports and Cultural Secretary KSU CEC Samla Eric Nongkendri haka jinga don lang usamla Johnny Nongrum Sports and Cultural Secretary KSU North Khasi Hills District Unit ba Rocky Kella Chairman Umsning Town Dorbar Samla Lester Nongbet President KSU Umsning Circle bat usamla Bines Kella Sports Secretary bat kiwei kirang ba kibelasha khot skobha. Ka KSU Umsning Circle kelapan long yakani Kalumpung ya lekai badia kun persya ya udrok bat ban penmi pisa ya ka seng na ka benta ka thong panthet ya ka kali kit nongpang ambulance kum ka jinga rap ki breu ki bapang basitom hakishnong kendong kani kathan ka jinga kun hapadeng kanang kiu irat bat kamaulai impact kalalong ka ba internet bat hadu bakut ka pore lekai amsham dan bala bat pen khijar ha ka bakut larai nong job nong rem na ka tiebreaker kanang kiu irat kelapan lim no ya ka maulai impact kathong na kabenta ka kunhut ka manra ya kanam ladu ha kan ka lumpung kan ra ya ka song pisa sanlak tengka bat ka bawan baar kan yo arlak tengka rengkat ki khusnam shimet laong ka khubor na kinong penyan
Unlat nak jingim jungu, badai ha kasipautrek jungu banai berkendai, arjar aku saw, bauniu kena ularung ha rehab center, ha kaba kidon sang balang kibalaya rabi bandrung sakani kaslam, baunlat nak ni kajing sniu, jong new drugs, bad ha ka khadar trek, hadin lai banai, khadar trek ubra berkhadar, arjar aku saw, uniu kena ulami nak ni rehab center. Bat kalong ke ka bastunat banyak sngo bahadin ka jingmi jong ni nakani ka islam rehab center ulalek pat ban tebet ila di ha ka MMA ka badon hati kita nong thamai bat menta ulalong wi khna samla ubade unuksa ubabaha namta kitu khna samla pat ki balangop hauni uja jingti nget batkan scam ba kini ki samla ki balangop ba pinmi sakmat ba pinom leran namar kapor kaya kamdei syu bangileran naningin ri hendai kapor kaya kaladei bapimi sekamat kenang ba ki sang balang lani kisnong kitau kila ban yarap epi ban betel lenti spa epi syakalenti ke babha bat kompang subanrap akabedai bat kajingla kai sports komba PE tafter ba ka KSU hi kajuplong ikini ki jajingla kai om ba kapni bakala hendai kakwa ba ki khon samla kenlat nak ki basnio bat bakin kiu saprang namar ba ba ki khon samla jungi keleng kabri unyu trap kim du nasu hakano kono ko benta henai ngidan kham ban scam jingmot bat bingdan ka jingtu ka babha bat ba ban kiu sacrong namar ba kani ka chat jingla karu kade ka wei om tang ban pen bernya ya kamet jongpi naban ai ya kata ka fitness henai kaladeru kalat kamai bat kumta sim yaka kum kalat kamai bat ban tebet susu nangis kemat bat akisngi ki por ki banungan ru nakaliang kaseng hauni art nyau trek mentau benai nakaliang kaseng kan sepelong yaka basketball khasili kaban salong hangte hamolai ngakot ngawe repi ki kon samla jongkani kadong kathan ba piniwani shimenta krang ba ki kon samla ki nio la ka jong benta bakin light na ki basnio te nganum sim ka por
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoish ka bakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang khublai shibun.